welcome back to our channel. We are critiquing 4 new videos today, and we have some exciting from eventers to the barrel racing world, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so this video is sent all the way here from New Zealand from Morgan. She has a beautiful gray pony Arab cross, I'm guessing. Super adorable, super cute jump to it, and she has asked us to do a little critique on her riding here. So as we're going, she's just cantering along into this big fence.
It's a very large fence.
Very large fence. Very deep sand as well down in New Zealand, I'm gonna say. So she's coming in cantering. She just gets slightly ahead of her horse on the up part, so it's just kind of pushing him into more jumping with his shoulder rather than jumping up using his hind end and using his body himself here.
As she comes out of the jump, she lands the jump, and then about a stride away, she kind of falters and falls on his neck. She just needs a little bit more structure to her upper body and strengthen her lower leg so that she can hold herself up on the landing. As she comes out of that jump, he's got a lot of momentum. He's got a big jump. It's beautiful. And he lands, and it's almost like she thinks she's done the jump, and then she goes, oh, thank God I'm done. And she's not. You got to still ride up and away from that fence. Sit up, hold yourself up strong, and ride away.
Yes, your fence never is ending, especially afterwards, because sometimes there is another fence after, so always keep your shoulders up, legs square in the stirrups, heels down, and wrap your lower legs around their body, and keeping them moving forwards to keep them uphill.
Morgan is a really nice horse, and you have a lovely jump. Keep up the good work.
Good job. I want to be an event rider. Okay.
Okay.
Eventing is one of those all-round sports, so you don't have perfect dressage, perfect show jumping, cross country. You kind of go for it.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a lot of hanging on.
It is, and you have to have.
You still have to have equitation though, because if you don't have equitation, you can't hold on properly.
I was going to say balls, but
well, you need those too.
because that stuff gets scary.
3'3"
in America, so it's a little bit bigger than what we would actually compete up here in our 340s.
Correct.
All right, so he sends us a beautiful video of him showing in stadium. Now, for those that don't follow eventing, stadium is the jumper ring, so it's time and faults. Okay, so he has a very nice chestnut, and he's very forward at keeping up. Again, he has a bit lost in the lower leg here, losing his leg and losing his balance and kind of rushing the fence a little bit. Dude, you need to learn how to half halt. It's a little bit.
Elevate the horse.
Yeah, just
help the horse get to the fence.
Sit up. You're just driving a little bit too much in there. Okay? So you're coming around, you just keep a nice steady feel. You're not getting going. As he comes out the outside line, you see him come in and he's jumping very bold. A little too bold for 3-3s, okay?
Yeah.
You can
leave your horse underneath you.
Exactly.
It's not a 2-foot fence.
And don't overjump it, okay? I realize it's time. You just need to take your time, no matter what.
Everybody thinks they get into the stadium ring and they have to go as fast as possible. You can actually just lengthen your horse's stride and still have them underneath you and elevate it and get to the fence in the same amount of time, and keep rails up a lot better than just going hell-bent for leather to get to those fences. Safety is key, and yeah, you do have to have balls, but you want to keep the rails up. There's only one way to keep the rails up.
Keep them up and have a decent time without having awful chips that he has created because he thinks time is the key here.
Yeah.
So remember,
it's a package.
Yeah, take your time and do your homework, and then you can become a better rider. That's my opinion to you.
Yeah, I agree. I think if we can just help this horse find a better distance to the fence, if you sit back, elevate, little half halt would be nice.
Yep.
Sink through the heel and let the horse come into the fence a little quieter. We don't need to sit and drive and get the energy bubbling up in front of us. If it was a 5-foot fence, you might want a little bit more bubbling in front of you.
but it's 3'3". So if we just have that horse up a little bit but quieter coming in, then we'll have a nicer jump.
But kudos to you, Noah. You are doing a fantastic job. I will not be caught out there in the eventing world anytime soon. I'll school it, but I will not compete it. So keep
In
up
the
good
next
work.
spring, the jumps don't fall down, so you won't find me there.
Yeah. So our next video here is from Allie. She has a concern about her horse's head tossing throughout her barrel patterns. So as we are reviewing and critiquing this, I'm going to hand the reins over to Fiona because it has been a few years since I have barrel raced. So she's more along those lines still. So take her away.
So she's already put a tie down on her horse's head to help bring it down, and she said she's having difficulty and it's still not working. My best advice to you watching this video would be to go back and start at the basics again. Bring it back, slow it down, and bring her back up slow. She's got some speed, gonna be a nice animal to ride, and will make a nice barrel horse. We just have to get that horse to slow down and think about the barrels. So when you come out of the chute, just bring her into a nice trot, bring her up to the barrel. Before you get there, maybe ask her to whoa, stop before the barrel, back up a couple steps, and then jog a nice loop around the barrel and trot off to the next one. Do the same thing. Whoa up before you get there, stop, pause, and then trot on. As you continue to do that, your horse will start to think about the barrel, slow down, sit up coming in, and you won't have as much anxiety and frustration coming in as you do right now. And I think that that'll make a big difference in your horse's energy level, your horse's attitude, and their happiness going around the barrels.
So can I say, as she comes into the first barrel, do you think maybe if she kind of aimed kind of more central, started going a little further to the left, and then come in so that her turn is a little tighter to the right?
Correct. If she come in a little bit wider to the left, she's aiming right for the barrel. And when you aim right for the barrel, you can't get a nice turn. You shoot past it, which is why if you come into the side of the barrel and ask for that whoa, sit up, stop, and then jog it, your horse will get that, okay, I need to slow down coming in, lift up my shoulders, and turn the barrel.
Exactly. And same with going to the second fence, aim just a slight smidgen wider, I guess. Yeah. And then so it just comes a little bit smoother, and then your out isn't going to be as bad.
Exactly. That outside leg is there to support you. Coming out of that barrel, you need that outside leg on to push that horse back into your pattern so they don't drop their shoulder and drift out on you.
Yeah, and that's for the head tossing. Try a lighter bit, have her teeth done, checked anyways. Yeah. There's not much that we can do really towards that. If you have a tie down on and you're running barrel patterns, just get a vet to check her teeth and try maybe a rubber bit.
Yeah.
You have a fairly big bit on there. She does have some go, but she wants to go forwards, and it looks like she's very easy and very soft on the mouth.
Yeah. Figure out, make sure there's no problems there going forward, and then just slow it down and bring her back up from the bottom, and I think you'll have a beautiful horse on your hands.
I hope these critiques help you, Allie, and best of luck in
Good
the
luck.
future.
This is Grace.
And she's riding a super cute school horse, and she is trying her hardest. Again, she's a beginner rider and
Learning how to jump.
Yeah, learn how to jump, learn how to do leads and all of that stuff. Cute, very steady, very quiet. She just needs to work on keeping the lower leg underneath her. Yeah, leg, and more leg. When you think you have a lot of leg, add more.
Squeeze more. And don't flail it.
Yeah.
Just squeeze. Wrap it on and squeeze.
Push down into the heels and just apply those calf muscles in the lower leg. Let go of the knee and just allow them to go forwards. And the upper body stays a little bit taller and allows them to just move underneath you. You are doing a fantastic job.
Very much so.
And you just keep on keeping on.
He's a really nice horse. He's really steady. And you look really good on him. Keep your confidence up. You're doing a good job.
Good job, Grace. Before we finish our video, we would just like to make a shout out to Kib Cool on YouTube.
Thanks, Kib.
She has sent us a very nice shout out on her YouTube channel. She is sending us a video to critique. So as soon as we get it, we will put it in the pile with the others that we are getting to, up and coming ones as well.
So if you'd like to improve your horsemanship one stride at a time, then subscribe below to Stride
to Harmony. And you can also email us at stride2harmony@outlook.com.
And check out our Instagram, Stride to Harmony.
All right. Have a great
Thanks,
day, guys.
guys.
Bye.